Hey guys, it's Vince over at CG Vinyl, and right now I get a lot of requests for these, and I wanted to show them as they're coming out of the printer. These are True Fire Flames. Usually you can only get these through hydro dipping. Hydro dipping, of course, is done with digital printing, and now you can see anybody can have this effect. CG Vinyl, again, we're using the glossy substrate, and you can see the actual finish on these. They look incredible. And of course, these are coming out of the SureColor P7000. I'm just moving the camera slightly just to give you a panning effect to show you the gloss on this film. Now, of course, this doesn't have the glossy overlaminate from 3M actually applied to it yet, but it's just going to be like a base coat, clear coat paint job. Right now, you got your base coat, and then as soon as we apply the overlaminate, you're going to have the clear coat effect. And that'll amplify the gloss even more. The finish looks incredible. Stay tuned for more production videos, guys. Take care.